Hey besties, it's your girl Mimi Natural. If you're a new subscriber, welcome to my channel, and if you are tuning in for the second time or you're an old subscriber, welcome to my channel. Today we'll be making hibiscus juice, popularly known as ZOBO in Nigeria. So here are my ingredients. I'm using pineapple, I'll be using ginger, I'll be using cloves, and I'll be using pineapple rind as well. Pineapple rind is the peel, the back of the pineapple, and I'll be using my jolly juice in apple. I'll be using jolly juice in apple, in grape and strawberry. So I'm just going to put in my pineapple rind in the pot. I'll put half of it first, as you can see. Then I'll go in with my hibiscus flower. Then I would add the remaining part of the pineapple rind. So here you go. Then I would follow up with my ginger. I'll follow up with my cloves. Then I put in my ginger. I would cut the ginger in smaller pieces so that it will cook well and I could get every juice out of the ginger. Just like you're seeing right now. If you don't know, this is very healthy and it's also good for hair. It's good for hair, it's good for your body. Like, this juice is everything. I am used to taking mineral soft drink every time I take too much of soft drink, so I decided to make this for myself and for the house, so we can be taking this instead of soft drink because this is more healthy. And this zobo juice or hibiscus juice, I am not going to be using any sugar on it. I'm not going to be using any sugar. So I was done with the mixing. I added my water and light my gas, and voila, I'll boil it for about 30 minutes. Here what I'm just doing is that I'm grinding the fruit I want to mix inside, which is pineapple and apple. This juice is very tasty, it's very nice, and it's healthy. That's the most important part. You know all the benefits of pineapple, you know the benefit of apple. It's very good for your body. So when I'm done blending, I would pour it out and then squeeze out the juice and separate the chaff out of the juice. You know what I mean? So yeah. This thing, if you taste it, is very delicious, very sweet. This fruit alone is very sweet. So why would I even need a sugar for this? Why would I need to put some sugar? There's no need for sugar when I have all these fruits in it. And if you are doing this, make sure if you are using fruits, fresh fruit like this, you will have to put it in a fridge so that it won't get spoiled easily. So I'm just squeezing out my juice out of the chaff, out of the blended apple and pineapple. Squeeze it out very well and make sure I take all my juice out. If possible, if you want, you soak it inside water again and squeeze it. So here I'm just pouring my should I call this ingredients? No, pouring on my my sugar. This will be my sugar, something I'm going to use for sugar instead of using the raw sugar you all know. So my jolly juice. So here is just boiling the hibiscus and all those other mixture I did earlier. So I filtered it out, and here is the result. See how red it is. It's very thick. So I poured the juice I blended and my mix. So mix it together, make sure I turn it very well, and I added a little water because it was too sweet. Like, I did not use any sugar here, but it's so sweet. Yeah, this is me adding water to it. Mix it very well. See now, see. So after this, I put some in a water bottle, like table water bottle, because I want to store them in the fridge. So when it's cold a little, I decided I have to taste this. I have to taste it. And please, I would advise you take more of this than taking more of soft drinks, because this is healthy. You know the benefit of cloves, your body, every part of your body. So that will be all for now. So please, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please hit the subscribe button and comment, share, like, support me please, so that I can do more videos like this. Bye, love you guys. Mwah.